What's up, Pew Militia? I know it's been a while. Today I'm going to show you how to change a tail light on a JLU. So if you or your wife drives like my wife, this was a trash can, you'll know how to replace it. We're not going to replace it with a OEM. We're going with a smoked out LED. So it's a lot easier to install. You don't have to worry about maintenance on the lights. LEDs are phenomenal, and I highly recommend going to them at any time. So first thing you do, let's see if I can turn this camera on. First thing you do is you come in here and you pop this little piece out, and then there'll be this little plastic hex in there, and you get your Jeep toolkit. Comes with any of the newer Jeeps. Comes with this little socket, and there you go. You got all your different little heads. Take off everything, and then you hook it in, and you just start loosening it, and that's all that holds your tail light in. Once it gets loose, you should be able to just get it out with your hand. Tail light. Well, I guess I'm really worried about it hitting the ground since it's already destroyed. And then you pull out this little wild looking whatever, plastic whatever, and you pull the tail light out. Tail light's out. You come over here, you pull back this red cord, a red snap pin right here. Then you'll take a little screwdriver and you slide it right up under here to free this connection. Once that connection's done, you come over here. You don't have to come over here. You can go to your little bench or whatever, and you'll remove these 3 screws. Once you get those screws out, then you can pop all this other, come on, hang on, I thought it was gonna be easy. The first one was, there we go. So you pop that little piece off, and then you got your little mount. Your mount lines up with the back of your new part. Run your cords properly in the little grooves. You'll take your little mount. You'll see that there's 3 little holes, 3 little holes, and you have this one little mount back here, which for some reason that one wasn't holding. It's for these clips. So you'll take your little clip, put it on there, and you'll take your mount, you'll line up the holes, snap that clip on, and then run these screws back in. Once those are in, I recommend coming to the side, peeling your plastic back just a little bit, so that way you don't install it and have it stuck to the side. All right. Then you'll take your little connectors, you'll connect them to your home. Once they're connected, you'll just fish all the cables in there. Pull it up to where the little levies hit, and then you'll come back over here and start finger tightening this plastic drum hose, not a hose, screw thing. Once you get it started to where it's actually holding the light, then you just tighten it down. It's finally getting there. Let's gap in right there. And then it's spring loaded, so you won't over tighten it because it is plastic. Then you'll take your little piece here and you'll carefully pop it back into place. And peel the plastic off. Man, it looks so much better than the factory OEM. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks sick. All right, now let's get her out here to hit the brakes and see what it looks like. All right, go. Yeah, go ahead and start it. All right, turn on your left blinker. Yes, turn on your left blinker. Okay. Now, brake light. Now put it in reverse. Oh, yeah. That looks good. And well, Pew Militia, there you have it. Took me 10 minutes to come out here and change them. I've never changed them before. Yes, I did go ahead and do the one first, so that way I didn't look like a total idiot, even though I called hookups and stuff hoses. I don't know where that came from, but there you go. Little Jeep mod. Hopefully she don't hit a trash can with this one. Till next time, Pew Militia.